2020 Chevrolet Malibu LT forward stone gray metallic service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 miles synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG advanced formula W/MOA-Stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG fuel system cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive. Replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. New wiper blades, brake fluid service replaced all old fluid. 4-wheel computerized alignment, replaced key fob battery, jet black cloth, 17 aluminum wheels, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, heated driver, and front passenger seats. 2936 city/highway MVG.